dripping so much amount of water. We need to find a way to fix and diagnose this problem. So, it's a lot of work to be done. But I want to leak in water. Let's see what we can do about it. So, first thing first, you gotta shut off the water right here. Shut it off, and then you gotta go to your switch circuit board to shut off. Open your switch. You look for dishwasher. It's off. I'm looking for disposal. Off. What else? Kitchen. Turn kitchen off too. Any other one? No. So we're done with connection. After shutting everything, we're gonna take these out, check all the pipes to see where the blocking is. Sometimes you just need to spin. There's a little key here, and everything will be fixed. But I'm gonna actually take everything off and we will see what's going on. So stay tuned.